What is an attribution in basic terms?
In basic terms, it's something that allows you to see what the traffic from other platforms is doing on Amazon. So if you're spending money on platforms like Facebook, for example, you're going to be able to see if you're making any sales. Or for example, if you're doing ManyChat sequences, you're going to be able to track if you're making any sales through them, like to be absolutely sure.
So that's
Because
generally showing you analytics, right? It's not for one click that I send, it's tracking that particular click converted or not. It's not local.
It's tracking everything.
It
It's
is?
tracking literally everything for those platforms. That's the good part. So you're going to be able, for each campaign separately, for each ad group separately, everything separately, you're going to be able to double check what's going on there, if you made any sales and so on. Because in the past, you would be able to see, for example, if you're on Facebook, you create a campaign. In that campaign, you create a different visuals, and you have your banners there and so on, and you can see CTR, you can see CPC and the amount of clicks, and that's it. You're not able to see how many conversions you made. And now you're able to log into Attribution interface, and in that interface you're able to see how many clicks and how many conversions were made through campaigns on Facebook, like for each one separately.
Oh, great. So it's not really a pixel that fires back to Facebook, but it's more like you log into Amazon site and you check manually, right?
Yeah. That's the tricky part. You're not allowed to. Amazon is not allowing other people to place pixel on their website, and basically you need to check both platforms at the same time.
Okay, in the old times, how I was, because I used to run Facebook ads, and to know if they're converting or not, because you never know, right? So I was using the Amazon affiliates link. When like they would usually, if you're Amazon affiliate and you have a blog and you promote random listings, you use this Amazon affiliate link, and then it shows you how many sales you got, that affiliate link. So on my own products, I would get an extra 5%. I don't know if I was against terms of service or not. It was in the gray area, right? So
yeah, it was somewhere in between, depending
because you're promoting your own products with Amazon affiliate, there is no defined rules anywhere in terms of service, but it's like when it's not defined, it could be gray.
Yeah, and if you call customer support, like if you did 3 times in a row, you're probably going to get like different answers.
3 different answers. That's right. So yeah, I was using that. It was helpful, but again, it was 2 different platforms and tracking. I'm so happy that actually Amazon has come up with something like this. So
yeah, that's really, really great. Still not the best option. It would be best if you can place, for example, Facebook Pixel on Amazon, but I'm pretty sure that that's not going to happen unless Amazon buys Facebook or something like that.
That's interesting. So are you using attribution campaigns in your agency for your customers at the moment?
Yes. Not for all of them. It's available in US at the moment. So some of the clients that like to expand their traffic and visibility to increase basically everything, they start with AdWords. They do a bit of Facebook as well. So we help them with some of it. We don't just create URLs for them. We manage those ads as well.
Okay. So does it mean that any other traffic source could be that? It could be Facebook, Google Ads. It's not defined, right? What source you can send from?
We even tried it with blog posts and links there, and like with paid texts on in news websites and so on, and it's working there as well, from there as well.
So it's available for every seller in the advertising section, is it?
The thing is, they need to apply for attribution, and after that, they're going to get it. Basically, it's absolutely free, so they can use it.